Welcome to Big Dave's Farm Life. On today's episode, we need to go and get the hay bales out of the field and bring them in. So, let's get started. I've got a bale of hay almost in the pond. Better get that first, because Dad said if it rains, that bale's going to be sitting in a foot of water or whatever. So, I'm not sure exactly where it's at, but let's go and see if we can find it. There it is. Ooh, that's awkward. Let's see if we can get that. Oh, I hope that's not mud right there. We're gonna try it. Oh, don't hit me, branch. Oh, this is not working. Let's try it at a different angle, shall we? Maybe if I swing off in here and then swing up at the last second. There we go. Let's see. Probably have to lift it just a little bit more than that. There we go. Number one, 35 to go. Thanks for coming to Big Dave's Farm Life. Please like, share, and subscribe, and remember, keep the dirt on your hands.